Keep it real, powered by Ned Group Life. Let's make it happen. Julia Cameron wrote a book called The Artist's Way, which has inspired millions around the world to unlock their creativity. Today I'm meeting Bernice, who facilitates this creative process for others, and Juliette, who decided to pack it all in after discovering her real dream. Bernice, what impact did this book, The Artist's Way, have on your life?
Lisa, it had a huge impact on my life. I was an art student when I was very young, dropped out. And then in my mid-40s, I decided to go back and into an academic institution and finish my master's in fine arts, which took several years. But this book really encouraged me hugely to carry on with it.
How important is creativity in one's life?
I think it's hugely important. I think all people are creative. People are gifted differently. But it's about how to use divergent thinking, and as you probably know, in terms of medical research, they certainly know there are two spheres of the brain, the left and right brain. So it's about how to access that right side of the brain.
You're talking about the different sides of the brain. Why is it so important to use both?
Being able to hold the two together, to think laterally and intuitively and in a non-logical way, and just pick up spaces, places, etc. But it's also that our own educational system really does privilege the logic side of the brain. So in a way, this course starts to say, value your creativity, no matter what it is.
Most people would say to me, but Lisa, I don't have the time for this. What would you say to those people?
I think it's about valuing your creativity, and once you value your creativity, that is when you retrieve the time. So what it is changing your values about your creativity and saying it really does matter, and therefore how am I going to find the time? You retrieve it. There aren't more hours in a day.
Just like anything, it takes practice.
It is about practice, and she's got a wonderful phrase. She talks about gentle steps. So you have a dream that's the helium balloon, and then the string, as it were, is the realism, and you test reality all the time. So she helps you to verbalize not only that, but also actualize what it is that you dream for, what it is that you're most gifted at, and then how does that translate into real life and into action. But she also says that we need to think about our creativity as fun and as play, rather than work. There is discipline involved, but grinding discipline, then you're likely to close up on your creativity.
Is this for anybody?
Anyone, because everybody, as far as she's concerned, is creative. And it's about tapping into our creativity and finding what we're most gifted in doing.
Juliette, how did this process change your life?
I think doing the course was a seminal thing for me. It changed everything and helped me to shift from teaching, which I've been doing for 20 years, into life transition and change coaching. And I changed my life, and now I'm helping other people to change theirs, which is very exciting.
Fantastic, absolutely. Do you have your favorite exercise to share with us?
There were hundreds of exercises which I love, but the one that stands out now is having imaginary lives, and 5 of them. And they could be like wildly fantastical or quite realistic. And one of my 5 lives was a trapeze artist, which delighted me because I'm about as flexible as a stone. And I imagined myself on this wire up at the top, and I'm dressed in this, and I'm normally quite conservative in my dress, in this sequined outfit. And it was quite a liberating thing, and imagining myself into the day and what would happen.
So the main thing is about imagination at the end of the day.
It has a lot to do with imagination.
Don't set boundaries. There are no such things. The only boundaries that you have are the ones in your own mind.
That's right, and if you can imagine something, you can make it happen. It can become real.
Know that the cost of instant gratification using credit will have you paying for that item many times over. Ask yourself if it is worth that overall price. Do you really need it, or do you just want it? And remember to check out the fantastic prizes up for grabs on our website, keepitreal.coza. Accessing your creativity can be one of the most powerful things you will ever do. Do it if you dare. And that's it from Lisa Raleigh. This is Keep It Real. See you next time. Keep It Real, brought to you by Ned Group Life. Let's make it happen.